Hello, no, I don't ready. I dey come, I beg. Wait for me for that junction. That junction now. Just wait for me there. I dey come now, Okay. Abigail. Hello, Abigail, my friend. Good morning. What happened? Why are you crying? What happened? What is it? You say waiting. What? Where? Wait for happen when? You mean your husband travel since then? And you not even tell me why travel? What happened? Hey, this woman, big girl, you no try, my sister, you no try. You mean say you my friend, you no fit tell me before you do this kind of thing? Chineke me, what is wrong with you, this woman? Sometimes I go dey wonder how me and you they be friend. Why you go push the man go do this kind of thing just because say you want do big dedication? Stop crying. I dey come. Hey. Now, wow, my people now see. I don't know what they worry some of our people. Make una sit down, more and relax. Make I tell una the story of this my friend Abigail. My people, Abigail don't marry. And this her husband don't they marry for 7 years. They not get pikin. So finally God come bless them with pikin. She just born few months ago. I think it should be 5 months plus now, going to 6 months where she born. So as she born finish, they can't stop the husband for work. The husband not can't get work. So now her whole small business they can't take the leave since then. She contacted the husband and say, they go do the education. And the husband say, yeah, he go just invite few people. Make they do am for inside room. Inside house now, small. This, my friend, that big girl, say no. He said she don't want that rat party. She want big woman party, want do big party like celebrity, all those kind of things now. He can't measure one of a neighbor. They tell her husband, say, who you they plan that kind useless party for? She, a big girl, a big girl. Where Modukbe, where they close to them, their neighbor, we not even get anything. You know, see party where you do. Now you want make them laugh, come they attack her husband like that. Whether her husband want make people laugh am. My people. How people go tell laugh you the way where you want to do your party? Why people go laugh you? When she can't tell me now, I tell her, say, my sister, forget that thing. Your husband now not get work. So as the man take plan as small, so make una do her like that. She can't attack me. Say it be like say I want to join the enemy where even hold her womb where she not born not this year now. Now God bless her now. After many years in marriage, God don't bless her finally with pikin. We go say make she not celebrate and big. Now I say no, my friend. Not be like that. No say me not celebrate and big. But now your husband not get money. Where you say make he even go take the money? He tell the man, he say if he go borrow, make the man go borrow. He said if the man go borrow money, make he go borrow money, not being start am. This one are their first speaking after how many years? He said the man must do the big occasion where she wants. The man must do them. And this her husband, oh my God. Now man will be say he don't know how to say no. As far as now your wife, now demand for anything. Even though say you don't get that thing, go they run, they enter scatter from fry pan to fire. They run, they look for that thing, they go. Now man will be say he want please his wife at all time so that peace go reign. Now this man be. This man come plead with this woman, say, my wife, I beg. I understand you. Not be me and you get the pikin. Finally, God bless us after how many years. But now you know I still be. I no get this money. Make we just do a small. You understand? He believe after maybe before the baby go complete 1 year birthday, he go fit get work, money go dey. They fit celebrate birthday big. This my friend, a big guy, say lie. Or what ajaba hun owo yen kwe. He say never. He not agree. Because he want impress people. He want impress friends. He want impress neighbors and relatives. My people, now don't see this kind of thing before. Where be say you not get money, wait, you not get money for something, that thing go they hungry you. Even if you hungry you go swallow spit because you not get the money to buy that thing. But my friend say no. I dey wonder sometimes how me with Abigail take become friend. Because when I see me so, my eye not tear reach back my people. I dey wonder. Because you know say, it dey for parable say, birds of the same feather flock together. So they affect me because we be friends. People go the things now say, maybe my friend they advise am o. Mbao. I can't do at all. My hand not there for this kind of lifestyle. Wait, this my friend Abigail one live for. Now understand my people. So this my friend can't they give her husband body heat. When it can happen, the man enter outside. Ask the friend people, he need money to borrow. He not see who give and borrow. Now the man now go put hand for big thing. I don't want to measure the thing, my people. I don't want to measure the thing. Emi no fofania ze you The man go. Oh my God. He go put hand. Make it for take please his wife. Now, AK don't gbab the man. They gbab the thing where he carry. Now she just call me so. She dey cry. When she go dey cry? No be message when she send the man. Now, the man they don't cut am o. This one now. He go underground for it. Una know now. He go better school for this one. Because he take talk and say the thing many where they grab the man with. Okay, my question now, Abigail, how did the education go there? She go still do am. Of course, she go do am now. Maybe now she can't go now because she need big money to do big party. Because God bless you with a child 7 years after marriage. What is your problem? What is your problem, Abigail? Oh my God. Oh my God. My people, this kind case now, who una go blame? Una go blame the wife or una go blame the man? Make I talk my mind first before una go talk una o. Me so. I blame the man. Where? I blame the man. Where? I blame the man 100%. Why you go allow woman where you marry with your money push you enter this kind of thing just because say you want please him? I know say men not please their wife, but when it come to this kind one, so what happens? Men learn how to say no. Heaven not go fall. Waiting you not get, you cannot afford that kind of thing. Why will you even be going around trying to borrow money? Then how will you pay back? What kind of lifestyle is that? If your wife is not comfortable with the little you can afford, either she stay or she go. Yes. Or more. Now me talk am. If your wife say she not there satisfied with the little where you go fit provide, either she stay for the marriage or she go. Marriage not be by fire by force. Which kind thing be this one? I know say men man not please their wife, but sometimes make una learn how to say no when something like this, something where be say see you see danger, You go agree just because you want please your wife. Now be waiting happen to this happy husband now. So what did this man go do now? Now someone I take blame the woman because he not pour a cup for your hand. He not hold you for neck. Say you must provide that money. My brother, now you they marry that woman, not be the woman they marry you. If he to give you body heat just because of he want material thing that you cannot afford, send her packing. May she go meet her people. Women, I mean some of women will be said that they like to imitate other women. Imitate people in the right way. That one is not a problem at all. What you know you cannot afford, don't force your husband. Even when you know that the man cannot afford it, you force the man to the point that at the end, now the man ain't go suffer the consequence where go follow him just because he won't please you. What type of a wife are you? What kind of a wife are you? A wife supposed to bring peace, love, harmony to her husband. Not the other way around. Bring pain. Do you think that this man will forgive you? Well, if he forgive you. But let's say, for instance, if this man now, he go underground. This man go underground for years. Do you think this in wife go feel wait? Before the man go come and this woman go down the chop another cucumber. So who lose? Now the man lose. Now the man I lose. So my people, sometimes women they will be say their husband go they do everything to please them, but still they not go they satisfy. Sometimes women go they do everything to please their husband. At the end, you go still carry the mistake and everything. Now be waiting happen to this my friend husband. So the man they try make it please this in wife, but see what happen now. My people, now just little advice. If you be that type of woman where they open eye for waiting you not go feel afford, your husband not go feel afford, withdraw now, remove her, my sister. They say cut your coat according to your size. Don't demand for what you know your husband cannot afford. It's not a good thing at all. That doesn't make you a good wife. No. It doesn't make you a good wife. Okay? A good wife should be contented with whatever her husband can afford. If you want a big life, bigger things than the one your husband have now, you both work together for a better future. That is what a good wife would do. Please, my people, when you have a lovely husband who cares, who don't want you to be even sad for a second, don't push that man beyond what he can take. Please, my people, my women, appreciate the ones your husband can afford. Okay? Make una not the tear go reach back. We go at the end. Put una for problem. This one now, we say that the woman did the problem. I go happy. Even though say na my friend, I go happy. Because now a longer truth. I put her for this one. But now na the man, now I go suffer am. So my people, they say in a word is enough for the wise, or how they make that parable. Mona correct me, my people. Please. Now so I just want to talk this matter rich. Cut your coat according to your size. Thank you all so much for watching. If this video makes sense, if there's anything you learn, please leave it at the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video. Comment. Let's hear your opinion about it. If you are that kind of woman, please withdraw for that kind of lifestyle. If you are that kind of man too, that don't know how to when to say no, when your wife is over demanding things that you cannot afford, my brother, learn now. It doesn't mean you don't love your wife when you say no to the things that you cannot afford. It doesn't mean you don't love her. You love her, my people. You love her. So, if you learn anything from this video, leave it at the comment section. Let's hear your opinion. Let's hear your contribution about this topic. Thank you all so much. If today is your first time where you just then get past and you come across my YouTube channel, please give a subscribe. Just press that small red button. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime where I put more video, you go be the first person to be notified. If you're already a subscriber, God bless you. All my subscribers, God bless you. I love you for the love, the support I'm getting from you guys. You guys are so amazing. God bless you, my people. I still remain your sister, your friend, Obidia TV. Follow me on Facebook, Obidia Community. On Instagram, Obidia Wanyoma. Thank you all so much. Until I come your way next time. Remain blessed. And bye. Stay out of trouble. Bye.